Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to create a database, create table and insert into the table. So first of all we'll write create, then database and database name. For example, I'm taking database name as employee. So we'll write employee, EMPLYOEE. Okay. Now after that we will write use database. Okay, so we'll write use database name. So our database name was employee, so we'll write employee. Okay, so we have selected the database. Now we will create the table. So we will write create table name. So for example, I am taking table name EMP. Okay, it's employees table, so I am taking the table name as EMP. So we'll write EMP, then opening bracket, then what all the things I have to take in the column name, I will write that first. So I will write name, then name is taken in varchar is a data type which can store variable as well as character. So varchar, and size I am taking 20. Okay, then after that I am taking id int data type, and after that I am taking address. Okay, address char type. I'm taking size as 30. Okay, then close with semicolon. Okay, if you will not close with semicolon, then you will get error. So close with semicolon. Okay, so if you want to see how to that the table is created or not, then write describe table name. So we'll write DESC, describe table name. So our table name was EMP, so we'll write EMP. So see what all the characters we have written in the create table, they are all here in the column. Okay, so name I have written, that is there, ID I have written, that is there, and address I have written, that is also present. Now we will insert into the table. So for that we will write insert into, then table name. What was our table name? EMP. So we'll write EMP. Insert into table name values. Okay, after that two opening and closing brackets, and that first of all I will write name. See, in the column I have first of all taken name, so in the insert also I will first of all write name, then ID, then address, because if this sequence is changed, then it will occur an error. So we will first of all write name. For example, I am taking Sanjay, then comma ID 11 I am taking, comma address, for example Nagpur. Okay, after that a comma, then I will enter in another. In this I will take name as Nitin, ID as 12, and address as Delhi. Okay, so I will insert three names. Then this is the third one. Here name I will take as Ganesh. You can insert many according to your choice. Okay, so 13 is the ID, and I will write address as Varanasi. Okay, in the last we will keep semicolon. Okay, so this insert thing is done. To check whether it is inserted into the table, you will write select star